I can't really say Zaz since I have the Zaz.
Hello and welcome to my channel today, Boo Snakes and More. Today we're playing Truck Solitaire. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And for more videos like this on my other half channel, Anal Snakes and Stuff. My youngest son's channel, Henry's Toys and Games. Or my oldest son's channel, Will Christian. Now let's dive into the video.
Anyway, a friend of mine asked, in my opinion, do I think Detective Comics be mainly just the Batman stories or not, Mom? What's your opinion?
No.
I say they should be. Yeah, that's what I said. I said, okay, what I think is Detective Comics is not just Batman. That it should mainly focus on his detective side, but have some action, you know? But the normal ones should mainly focus on the action, like the normal just Batman series that's just called Batman. Should but have some detective stuff, and then have like some basically filler parts where it's just detective stuff and not that much action from the normal series, and but do the opposite for Detective Comics. Yeah, I have to say I like this story. So as you probably may or may not like yellow. Yes, I know Joker normally has either green or yellow eyes, but it's not just pure green or pure yellow. I mean, it makes him look creepier. It did better than what? Oh, it's Cornelius again. Each and every goddamn story I find that has Cornelius Stirk in it makes me want to get a fucking story about Cornelius. Because he's the fucking I'm supposed to be. Since I like the idea of the character Cornelius Stirk. What? You sure about that? Well, it's fun.